Right, just continuing our building of our web page, we're going to just add some style to the web page first of all. Now, when I say add style, that means we actually put in some style in the styles section in the head of our page. And what we do is we nominate the section of the page that we're going to style. In this case, we want to style the whole body with a background color. So we simply type in body. Then we need to use some special punctuation again, and we're going to use the brackets or braces, I should say, curly braces, and we start with a left-facing curly brace, and we type in background hyphen color in American spelling. Australian spelling, British spelling won't work, but C-O-L-O-R. Now, background color, colon, we must put the colon in. Then we put our color in. So let's say we wanted to put in dark blue, one word. We'll try that color out, just guessing. We need to then end each item in our style with a semicolon plus another curly brace, but this time facing right. Now, we could add in other styles here. We won't as yet, but if we just put in that style, under styles, body, space, curly brace facing left, background hyphen color, colon, the color will be dark blue. Now, we have to save our document, our Notepad document, save it. Then we can switch back to see the result. Now, if I go to my first web page, if we've got it open all the time, we can refresh it. Now there we are, there's the result, a dark blue background in our web page. So that style has taken effect. Now I switch back to the code for the document, and I'm going to actually write in something to color in the text. And when you want to have a text color, you don't write text color, strange as it might sound, you simply write color in American spelling. And I'm going to write in a color as goldenrod. I think it's a sort of a yellowy color. So I happen to know that from having checked some colors, some web colors on a web page. Now, if I say color goldenrod, now that's for text, but I've got no text. Now, where do I put my text? Well, not in the styles. What I need to do is to write my text in the page. Now, what I'm going to do is put in a heading at this stage. So I'll put in a heading, and I'm going to make it an H1 heading. So that means that it's a very large heading. Okay, and so I need to put in another tag, which will be closed with a / tag of the same type, and I have to put my content, my styled content, inside that. So I am going to write text my, in capital letters, first web page. It doesn't matter where the tags are as long as they surround that content, right? This is literal text on the page. These are the tags which kind of style it or set its size. Now, because I put in color goldenrod, I've added that since we last saved, and this text, I'm going to go File, Save again. And if I look at my page, look at my page and refresh it, there we have my first web page. Now it's on the left side, it's of the page. Everything you put into the web page will be on the left. So you need, we will need to do something to fix it up later on, but that's the result. So we've saved everything in our Notepad document, and we've at least got something there to see on the web page, simply by saving and resaving as we add new elements to our page. Okay, we'll continue this in another screencast.